Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the display color in Windows. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first click on the start menu and type Calibrate display color. Then press enter. This will open the display color calibration tool. Follow the on-screen instruction to adjust your display settings. The tool will guide you through adjusting the gamma, brightness, contrast and color balance step by step. Once done, you can compare your current calibration with the previous one and choose to keep the new setting if you are satisfied. My current option is better right now, so I'm choosing the first one. After then you have to click on next button again. At last, you can choose again the best version what suits for you. And finally, press on finish. That's it. You have successfully calibrated your display color in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.